Hello again, and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we will review Module 1 step by step, preparing and starting. So step 1, make sure you guys join the Facebook private group, Amazon Selling Hustle Crash Course. If you feel like introducing yourself, please do. Question, learn, and share. Step 2, watch all the videos. Take notes, print out the Module 10 Fast Track PDF. Step 3, look to set up and register your business. Check out LegalZoom.com for more information, or LegalZoom.ca if you're in Canada for more information. Step 4, consult an insurance provider about product liability insurance. It's an Amazon mandate at 3 months of consistent 10K or plus in sales revenue. Seek a specialist in your area about product insurance. Step 5, consult an accountant about bookkeeping and taxes. Step 6, set up your Seller Central account. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.